Want to unlock the convenience of Apple Pay on Amazon? Let's get to it. First things first, Amazon doesn't directly accept Apple Pay at checkout, but don't worry. There's a clever workaround using your Apple Card to make this work. Make sure your Apple Card is set as your default card in your Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple Card, then tap the three dots in the upper right corner, scroll down and select Transaction Defaults. Ensure your Apple Card is set as the default card for Apple Pay. Now, head over to the Amazon app and add the item or items you want to buy to your cart. Proceed to checkout like you normally would. When you reach the payment method selection, instead of looking for Apple Pay, you'll manually enter your Apple Card details. Tap on Add a credit or debit card. Pull up your Apple Card in your Apple Wallet. You will need the card number, expiration date, and the CVV security code. Carefully type in your Apple Card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as they appear in your Apple Wallet. Fill in the cardholder's name. Verify the billing address is correct. Once you've entered all the information, save the card. Now, your Apple Card will appear as a payment option. Select it, review your order, and finalize your purchase. That's it. You've successfully used your Apple Card on Amazon. Enjoy the seamless shopping.